up, Booties? Welcome back to the Fitness Marshall channel. We are joined by the queen of TikTok and really the internet, Glitter and Lasers right here.
Hello!
Woo! She has joined us all the way from Texas and she is here to rock her booty to this new song. Oh, and she's wearing her active booty, yay!
Hey!
This is our very first video in our active booty. We just launched a whole active wear line. We are so excited for y'all to see it and wear it. The link is below, and let's get to dancing.
Step this way, down,
You don't want
and
to bratty.
back.
Pet the kid,
Yes.
call me caddy.
Ooh.
Make your man call me daddy. He talk
We're
too
doing
much,
this
he's too
slow.
chatty. Cool.
Allison and
CEO,
Haley
I'm
are
savvy.
doing like a whole little skippity-doo-dah, and Ann and I are taking something different. All right, bow.
I'm not a princess, I'm a
I already
king.
forgot the first
Bow down
move.
and kiss on my ring. Being a is my kink.
Step back,
Baby, what
bow
else did you
bigger,
bring?
down.
I'm not a princess, I'm a
Yes,
king.
you're not a
Bow down and kiss on my
princess.
ring.
You're a
It's gonna
king.
hurt, it'll sting.
Woo!
Spitting up
Step
blood in the
back,
sink.
beginning.
Crazy, but you like that. I bite back, dances on your nightstand. Never forget.
Get
I
creepy,
tossed 'em in the
get weird,
moonlight.
get freaky. Yes.
Eyes glacier with the blue eyes.
Show me your fighter pose. You're in a video game. You're on the waiting screen. Show me your ring.
I'm no Cinderella, but I like
Crown.
the shoes. Big glass platform.
Yes.
Choosy.
Oh my God,
Long
Anna, you're a
blue as
queen.
bruise. Only trust a
Walk
fella for
it
some
to
light
the front.
amusement. I'm no prey, but I am pursued.
Back.
Pray for me, Nana.
How heavy is your
No
crown?
distraction could confuse me. Whiskey, my hip, plastic.
Bow
fruity.
down.
I'm not a princess, I'm a king. Bow down and kiss on my ring.
Let your constituents
Being a
know.
is my kink. Baby,
Bow
what else
down,
did you
bigger,
bring?
down.
I'm not a princess, I'm a king.
Yes.
Bow down and kiss on my ring. It's gonna hurt, it'll sting. Spitting up blood in the
Hit
sink.
it.
Crazy, but you like that.
You like that?
I bite back, dances on your nightstand. Never forget I blossom in the moonlight. Screw eyes,
We're gonna do
glacier
something
with the
different
blue
here.
eyes.
Pick up your daisy.
I'm
Pick
crazy, but you
it up
like that.
and flick off the head.
Back, dances on your nightstand.
Stupid daisy.
Forget I blossom in the moonlight. Screw
Down.
eyes, glacier with the blue eyes.
Swing your arms and be extra creepy. Up, round. Woo! Around fighter pose. Which video game are you in? Yes. You are dramatic. Woo!
Hope y'all had fun dancing with us. If you want to check out all of Glitter and Lasers' glory, head to her YouTube channel, her TikTok, all the social media, Glitter and Lasers. She's incredible, and thank you so much for dancing with us.
Oh, thank you for having me. It was really fun.
And if you want to get your own active booty look, you can click the link below to shop it. ActiveBooty.com. We just came out with it, and we are so excited to know what y'all think of it.
Bye.